Hi, I'm Jeff Moore, a teacher and linguist in Tokyo. I want to teach you about the sounds of English. Last time, we looked at the nasal sounds and learned that one Japanese sound, is usually not used in English. In today's lesson, I'll tell you about a different sound change that happens in Japanese. This is another thing that Japanese does, but English doesn't do. Way back in lesson 3, I told you about the Japanese I and U sounds. They are very high sounds. Your tongue is close to the top of your mouth. I, U. This causes some changes in sounds close to those sounds. When a sound is close to I or U, it changes. Because Japanese I and U are high, they pull nearby sounds up. In Japanese, we don't say si, we say shi. The sound goes just a little closer to the top of the mouth. Think of the sound in sa and in sha. In both sounds, your tongue makes a small tube in the middle. Sa, sha. Air passes through and hits your teeth. For the S sound in sa, the air hits just the top teeth. For the sh sound in sha, the air hits a little lower, hitting your top and bottom teeth. We use our tongue tip to make this difference. For the s sound in sa, the tongue tip is up. For the sh in sha, the tongue tip is down. Sa, sa, sha, sha. Try to make the same two sounds with an E sound. See, see, tongue tip up. She, tongue tip down. Let's try some words. She, see, ship, sip. We do the same thing for ta and cha. For the ta in the t sound in ta, the tongue tip is up. For the ch in cha, the tongue tip is down. Ta, cha, ta, cha. Try to make the same two sounds with an E sound. T, tongue tip up. Chi, tongue tip down. Let's try some words. Tea, chi, tip, chip. Da and ja are very similar. For the d sound in da, the tongue tip is up. For the ja in ja, the tongue tip is down. Try to make the same two sounds with an E. D, tongue tip up. G, tongue tip down. Let's try some words. Deep, Jeep, dim, gym. Tsu is a special case. For tsu, we really make a t sound and release it slowly, making a s sound with it. Tsa, tsu. Try saying ta, tsa, ta, tsa. You feel the difference? English doesn't use the ts sound at the beginning of a word. We have to practice saying tu, not tsu. Try saying both. Tu, tsu. Tu, tsu. Let's try some words. Tu, tool, Tutankhamun. One more time. Tutankhamun. Oh. Try these phrases. 2 tickets, please. 2 tickets, please. Be careful. We don't want chiketto. That's hard to understand. Tickets. Next. Can you see the sea? Can you see the sea? We don't want shi. No, see. Next. Leave a 20% tip. Leave a 20% tip. Remember, it's not che, not like potato chip. Te. The Pope lives in Vatican City. The Pope lives in Vatican City. We don't want Vatican. And we don't want city. No. Vatican. City. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? This is a very important one to remember. We don't want shi, because can I sit here? ここに座っていいですか? Right? Can I sit here? Okay, very polite. Shit. Can I shit here? No, there's no toilet here. Be careful. Okay, in the next lesson, we'll review everything you've learned about consonants. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. See you later. Bye-bye.